Hey, welcome back to the Mustang build. It's very hot outside in Indiana today, but I made the patch panel, replacement panel for the inner rocker. I did that off camera. It's way too hot. I just wanted to hurry up and get done, but I did get it to fit in. As you can see, we got a nice tight fitting panel. I'm not able to use as many of the butt clamps as I wanted to because this inner rocker is still pretty solid. It's got some holes in it, so we're going to replace that anyway. So I got as many clamps on it as I had and some vice grips and a C-clamp to kind of hold it in there. But yeah, everything is primed with weld primer. Everything is ready to get tacked into place. And then I'll pop off the clamps and weld it in. I'm hoping to get this done today, which, well, I should get this done. I'm hoping to get that little patch panel made, and I'm hoping to hopefully test fit the floor today. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start welding. So yeah, keep watching if you're interested. All right, I got the rocker welded in, the inner rocker. I got it welded in. I patched up the holes on the subframe. Yeah, there was a lot of spatter and some fires. I hit that with the some of the spots. I hit them with some Marhide rust converter. We weld through that at work all the time. Surprisingly, it actually welds through it pretty good, and it doesn't burn it off like paint. You know, it'll start to peel up kind of like the paint was in one spot. It kind of just burns where you're, once you start your weld, it kind of just burns where you're welding and leaves everything else around it protected. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I got done. So yeah, I got that pretty much welded in. letting it cool off. Unlike the last panel, the last one I didn't do this. I kind of like stopped right before it. This time I extended it out in there. Then there's a piece right behind here that I'll bend down. I'll show it to you in a minute. But yeah, then I got all of those welded up. Pretty much most of them. All the holes from drilling, spot welds out. Yeah, so now it'll be solid. I'll grind all that down. I'll let it cool for a little bit, grind it all down, see what I missed, and then I'll hit it with some primer, and we'll go from there. So yeah, this is the corner I welded. So I extended the plate all the way out and kind of welded it to there, and I'm gonna sandwich it with this part into there. Then I'll throw some welds on that. So yeah, that's not gonna really go anywhere. And here's the welder. Very, very, very great welder. Well worth the money. The titanium MiG 170. But yeah, we'll get this grinded down and hopefully test fit the floor in today. Hopefully you guys can see me and the floor. So yeah, this is as far as I'm gonna get today. I always do this. Always optimistic, but so what I did get done, if you watched this far, inner rockers in, got to grind it down, filled in all the holes, got to grind them down. Floor, I test fitted the floor, it fits good. I just have to massage it in there a little bit, cut a little more out. Mosquitoes are already out, it's pretty late. Put a little patch panel in there, up there. Yeah, and then the floor will be solid. So after that, then I could jack the floor, or I could jack the car up, set it on the jack stands, start taking everything else apart. And yeah, we can keep moving forward. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.